A lot of people think side hustles mean long nights, endless content creation, or trying to figure out complicated software. But what if your phone could actually run a business for you, even while you sleep? That's exactly what Wi-Fi Cash Bot does. It's designed so beginners don't need tech skills, you don't need to create products, and don't need to spend hours trying to figure out traffic. Everything is already set up. The system drives visitors to ready-made affiliate offers so commissions can come in whether you're awake or not. The best part, you can manage the whole thing from your phone. Whether you're commuting, relaxing, or traveling, your business keeps working in the background 24/7. If you've ever wanted a true work while you sleep side hustle, Wi-Fi Cashbot makes it possible. Sign up today using the link in my description.